Hey there, green thumbs. Welcome back to the Sustainable Green Patch, where we explore the joys of no-dig gardening. Today, we're turning up the heat with a spicy addition to your garden, chili peppers. Stay tuned for some hot tips on growing these fiery favorites sustainably. No-dig gardening is our secret to healthier soil and less work. By not disturbing the soil, we maintain its structure and promote a thriving ecosystem underground. To prepare your no-dig bed for chili peppers, start with a thick layer of cardboard or newspaper to block weeds. Next, add a mix of compost, manure and straw. Aim for a depth of at least 6 inches to create a fertile bed. Chili peppers can be started from seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost, or directly sown into the garden. Plant the seeds about a 1/4 inch deep and 18 inches apart. If transplanting seedlings, ensure they're well watered before planting. Water consistently, keeping the soil moist but not waterlogged. Mulch around the plants to retain moisture and suppress weeds, which also helps regulate soil temperature. Chili peppers are ready to harvest when they reach their full color: red, yellow, orange, or green, depending on the variety. Use scissors or pruning shears to avoid damaging the plant. That's all there is to it. Growing chili peppers in a no-dig garden is a breeze. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the Sustainable Green Patch for more no-dig gardening tips, and leave a comment below with your favorite chili pepper recipe. Happy gardening, and remember to grow sustainably.